In this video I'll show you how to script such rain effect in Roblox Studio. First of all, we will create a server script under server script service, and we're gonna use a while loop which will endlessly create parts. So these parts are gonna be like water drops, so we're gonna configure them right now. The loop looks like this, and we have to put task wait inside of it, because otherwise this loop will crash our code. That happens because this loop is really fast, so we have to slow it down a little bit. And now we're simply creating a part. So it's gonna have a blue color, then we're gonna change its size. It's gonna equal to 0.2, 1, 0.2. Now we have to change the position of the part itself. So we're gonna make it random. The x coordinate will be equal to math random, and we're gonna pick a number between -100, 100. The y coordinate will be fixed, so it's gonna equal to, let's say, 50. And now we're gonna copy the x coordinate to the z coordinate. So this is how our position will look like. So now I want to change the transparency property to be equal to 0.2. And we can also do some optimization, but let's parent this part to workspace and see what happens. So as you can see, we already have the water, like the rain I mean, but it has some problems, and this system is kinda heavy for the game, so we have to add some optimization. So we're gonna disable can collide, we're gonna disable can touch, and we're gonna disable can query. So I don't really want to make this video really long and explain what can touch and can query does, as well as can collide, but can collide actually speaks for itself. And can touch and can query, if you're really interested in understanding what these things are, you can actually Google them or write a comment below this video, and I will create a video about it and show some kind of example. I'm gonna use a debris service in order to remove the part after, let's say, 3 seconds. So now everything is optimized and we have a clean rain. If you want to, you can change the water drop size, you can change even the color. For example, you can make a red rain, so it looks like bloody rain or something. So yeah, I'm recommending you to play around with these settings, and yeah, thanks for watching, see ya in the next video, bye!